Hi guys. Today we are going to be doing a big pimple on my chin.
Huh?
Nothing. Yes, I have a big pimple on my chin. Today we're going to be reviewing some slime. Like, that's for real though. We're reviewing one slime. And, yeah. You can read it. Do you want me to read it? He can talk. He is just very shy.
No, I can't.
You just did.
You didn't hear anything.
They just heard something.
That was a microphone.
No, that was him. Okay, so we're reviewing.
I'm talking very quiet.
We're reviewing Oddly Satisfying Neon by Compound Kings.
Yeah.
Squishy Fun. This is it. It's cherry scented. Smells like one of those popsicles.
Smell it.
We'll give y'all the first. We'll give y'all a sniff.
Sniff.
If you hear that,
We're at a tire shop. And the tire's getting replaced. But I also have a YouTube channel. It's Anthony Barty 100. I just got a haircut.
yeah, he looks
And
weird.
they're from 2 years ago. So don't make fun of me.
He was 6.
Okay.
Why is my face so glowy?
Your face is glowing.
Look, they can see my
It's fine. Also.
So let's start reviewing the slime.
Okay.
No, we're gonna do like button
Poo.
challenge. No,
Wait,
we have to do like button challenge. What's the like button challenge?
if you can click it in less than 5 seconds.
Okay.
No, 3.
3, 2, 1.
If you did it, then you're God. If you didn't, then you're trash can.
No, if you did it,
Okay.
then you're this very good
Slime.
slime.
Don't get that slime all over.
Okay.
And if you're not, you're the spaghetti slime. You can go look it up on Google. It's very bad. Just Amira did a review on it, so go look at her review.
Spaghetti. Very terry sometimes.
Okay. Well, no. So when you first touch it, you're gonna
It
think
feels like it's ripped.
it feels like it's overactivated, but it's not. I can like stretch my fast, but if you have really warm hands, put some activator in it first. And I know it's a short video, but that's all we gotta do today. So here's it. It smells really good. Bye guys. Wait, don't forget to subscribe.